Howdy folks, and welcome to Do Brew. This is a preview of a kitchen that we recently completed. The complete video series on how to do this kitchen remodel from demo to completion is currently being loaded onto my YouTube channel, Do Brew. Watch this video, follow the links to video number 1 of the kitchen remodel, and consider subscribing so you can see this entire kitchen come together. Hey, thanks a lot for watching this preview video, folks. In a moment, the link to video number 1 of this kitchen remodel is going to pop up. Click on that and watch the entire series and see this kitchen come together.